talking about coronavirus, it's one of the reasons that a lot of people start to avoid the seafood. And it's also part of the reason that why Laos PDR stopped importing seafood for the country that they said have infection, have the outbreak. At first it said Thailand, and then later on, every country that has that experiencing the outbreak, they wouldn't take the import seafood. But there is the latest report from the Public Health Ministry by the Department of Medical Science said that no coronavirus contamination was found in 117 seafood samples taken from markets in Bangkok and other provinces between November 2020 to January 2021. So since the seafood market in Samut Sakhon province was the apparent origin of the latest outbreak of COVID-19 in Thailand, public concerns over the safety of seafood resulted in a dramatic drop in sales. The Department of Medical Science has been testing fresh and frozen seafood products since November last year. 80 random samples were selected from markets in Bangkok and nearby areas between November and December last year, followed by 26 samples from a market in Samut Sakhon on January 7th, 3 from fishery checkpoints in Rayong province on January 11th, and another 8 food containers such as paper boxes and cans on January 21st. The seafood sampled include salmon, tuna, sabat, mackerel, squid, and shellfish. The tests were conducted to boost consumer confidence that seafood is safe to eat. It needs, however, to be cooked at a minimum temperature of 70 degrees Celsius for at least 5 minutes to kill any microbes. So just make sure your food cook, and then the germs cannot survive, because usually when you cook, it's over 100 degrees Celsius anyway, especially when you bake something. So if it's fully cooked, totally cooked, you will totally be fine. You will not get infected. But there is no evidence anywhere that suggests that you can get infected by the seafood.
So we can be sure that there are no coronavirus contamination in these seafood products, that's for sure. However, we still need to cook them properly